Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Today we have a Samsung Galaxy A21s with a broken display, as you can see here, multiple wounds, and needs a new one. Let's go. So what we're gonna do first is remove this back cover. It's got a Velcro on it, but it's not really an issue because the fingerprint scanner is, I think, on the side with the power button. So we can easily remove it. The adhesive is kind of weak, but I think this is its second or third repair session, which means that this has been opened or repaired before, which is not a bad thing really. In fact, this is a good sign that the smartphone can be fixed cheaply and with fairly less effort. But David here is gonna make it look easy because he's a Samsung Galaxy expert. He's been fixing a lot of Samsung devices and iPhones for many years, and this is just one of those smartphones that he knows to fix by instinct. I'm not sure. Right here we're gonna remove the back cover, which is attached to the back of the display itself. So the way this is constructed is the components are attached on the back of a housing, and in front is the display itself. So the display has its own rigid structure behind it. So when we remove components, you can see that it's attached, and we're going to remove the daughter board, the main board, and the battery and transfer it to the replacement display, which we will show you later. So those are the three main components: the daughter board, the main board, and the battery. And this is the replacement display. So it's got its own cutouts, and we're going to transfer first the main board. I'm going to secure that. We're going to position it the right way and put the screws for the main board, just one, and then the daughter board, so that we can reposition the battery correctly after they are attached. So for a entry-level to mid-range smartphone, this battery is very thick, very substantial, and Samsung knows how to make batteries. Gonna connect the daughter board connector and the main board. We're also gonna connect the battery to the main board, and we're gonna cover it up. I think that's all. That's pretty straightforward. They're held on by clips, so we're gonna slowly attach it. Let it click, making sure that there's no gaps. And we're almost done. It's easy. So right at the front, it looks brand new, and the back, we're gonna reuse the same components. So no replacement back cover, but it's not really an issue. Smartphone is now gonna work as normal and gonna be in a good shape for at least 2 years. Put all the screws back, and then the SIM card tray. I'm gonna turn this on, and it's turning on. Not really an issue with David. He's anticipating a positive results for every Samsung device that he pairs here. And we're gonna fiddle around with the fingerprint scanner. I'm gonna attach it. I'm not sure if it's behind the Velcro, but it's gonna be a tricky one to attach. And and it's done. Just gonna close up the device, and if you have any questions, leave it down below. You can also like and subscribe because we upload new videos just like this one, and I think this is good. I'm gonna peel off the plastic and look at that. Looks brand new again. Hope you enjoyed, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.